Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, VS Code installed, and the language extension you need. Once done, open your project folder so files resolve correctly. Next, open the integrated terminal with Ctrl+ or View Terminal. This is the first actionable step that brings up the console immediately. Make sure the terminal shell matches your environment, PowerShell, Bash, CMD. You're not reading menus. You're creating a working console where commands and scripts will run. Now you run code and watch output. For simple runs, type node file, JS or Python file, Py in the integrated terminal, and watch logs appear. This shows a std out and errors. Once you need step debugging, press F5 or choose Run Start Debugging, which opens the debug console and attaches the debugger. Make sure to pick or create a launch configuration in VSCode/launch JSON so breakpoints work. If output looks missing, switch between terminal and debug console to see which one captured your run. To finish, organize panels for repeatable visibility. Dock terminal, debug console, and problems where you can see them all. Once done, check the output panel too. Extensions sometimes send logs there instead of the terminal. If you don't see expected messages, make sure your script prints to a std out and that your launch JSON isn't redirecting output. As a key troubleshooting tip, if consoles behave oddly, reload the window or fully restart VS Code. That resolves shell and extension state issues most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.